Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the flywheel on the Hungarian's car. He says you can feel like a rattle with it, so me and the boys at work will get that done today.
Vehicle's up to standard then.
Yeah.
It has got little bolts.
All the bolts.
Holding the other side, so I wouldn't use those.
Yeah. Car is all done and finished. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.